So we're about to do an AC maintenance system right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the flame sensor.
Go back upstairs, y'all just holler at me if you need me.
Will do, thank you.
I like that light.
Yeah.
All the way across?
All the way across, and I got an extra one right here as well.
Wow. To like get a directional
Yeah,
kind of thing?
and then if I need to, I can set it, then I can just do this, cut it off and on.
Okay, where did you get that?
Online, $8.
Wow.
Yep.
Not working under a hood a lot.
Right. Alright, flame sensor. Take this guy off. Make sure it's good and clean. Very handy little tool. It works really well. Alright, put this guy back on. Cover back on. And always attach this cord back as well. Alright. Put this in here. Get the gas pressure. So here I'm doing the inlet gas pressure reading. And that's 7.3. Okay. Close this guy back up. Let's see if the output has any readings. Yeah. Okay, so 7.3. Alright. Put this one away. These guys away. Always put your tools away when you're done with them, because you will leave them. You will leave them behind. This guy right here. Yeah. So up here, we're going to do the capacitor reading. Cap reading. Pliers. Make sure there's no voltage. But W's. Multimeter. Okay. Turn the light on so you can see it. Hook it up. .9. 3.9. Put that back on. All right. 3.9. Now, let's get this guy back on so we can get amperage reading. And after the amperage reading, we close her up and we are done. White cord. Stage 1. Alright, so we're at 3.1 amperage. Alright, we got our readings. Now we can close her up.